Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're ready to wear the absolute show-stopping outfit of the season, you have got to check out this jumpsuit that I got from Coco. First off, this is so much fun to wear. I get compliments on it everywhere that I wear it. This is perfect to wear to a wedding, a concert, some kind of cultural event, or a party. And because there's so many different colors to choose from, you can find the perfect one or two for you. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I got the size medium. The fabric on this is just gorgeous and it fits me like a glove. It hugs all the right parts and it's not so snug that I feel uncomfortable. So you may be wondering, hey, it's a jumpsuit, so am I gonna get tired of having to take it on and off when I need to use the bathroom? But I found it was very easy to undo and to zip up myself. I love the construction of this outfit. The top is double lined and then the rest is single fabric. And I just love the cape on this, of course. That is just what makes it so much fun to wear. I like to style this with a belt and some nice jewelry for a little bit more of a sophisticated look. Or you can go for some fun, like I'm in the band vibes with a choker and a nice pair of heels. Overall, I am so pleased with the quality and the look of this jumpsuit. I think you're gonna love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.